morning. My name is Xavier Carrera. I am the Color Development Manager from Roland Iberia. So I make a presentation about the print on demand in the market that we are going ahead. Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce the presentation talking about the society in order to understand what we are going ahead and what is moving into the society, the final consumers. Last day I was reading a special report from a consumer market from Adecot, interesting report that show me nowadays we change ourselves every 2 years, not as years before that we bought different devices. Other highlight, the frequency of purchase supplements items per person is less than 6 months. What it means, so not only in a consumable market, for example, you can find in a sportwear, you can find different t-shirts, you can put personalized the name of your baby or the name of your football player. So not in consumable market, so also in professional markets. Nowadays include the big companies and small companies. When we order merchandising products, we don't order large on, so 10,000 bull pens or 15 brochures for a product that you are launching. So we prefer to reduce the order and are continuous making orders, fit it depending of the event that we are going. Another example is conventional solutions, printing solutions, photography, for example. Nowadays, you don't find photo printers because you, by yourself, you can print at your home, or maybe you can print in your job personally. So you don't need go to a photo shop to print photography. But this market has changed the way of the business in order to offer different solutions that you cannot make by yourself. So for example, solutions that has a special personalization and more than this, add value jobs. For example, print on caps or in cushions or in canvas to make pictures. So the companies nowadays needs to change the way of the business in order to put add value in their jobs, not printing in conventional medias and conventional solutions. Nowadays and year by year, we notice that our customers are suffering about the conventional signage. If you are offering the same like your competition, so it means that you need to reduce the price in order to get the operation, in order to get the job. So at the end, it's not good. What is the tendency? What is the trend? The trend is try to offer add value solutions. So for example, can offer the same solution but printing on transparent media, using white inks, using metallic inks, for example, offering to the customer textures or special designs in order to get the job, but more important than get the job, make business. We're facing other case, not in sign maker, but in merchandising market. Year by year, the amount of orders are decreasing. Nowadays, it's more important to adapt the society trend, so the society mentality that we are living, adapt to them and get equipments in order to get these solutions, these specialized and these personalized solutions. What this is telling us? We need to produce variety of products and solutions, customized on demand. So this is the trend that we are facing now. I only want to show you a special report from Infotrends about the companies in industrial market that we are here in Europe, and concretely in Spain and in Portugal. Okay, so in totally we are 141,000 companies dedicated in printing industry. Between UK, France, Italy, Spain and Germany, we are joining the maybe 70% of the companies in industrial printing. So it means that we have business here. We are offering different solutions between all the companies that we are. Quite 90% of all the companies are small companies. So what it means that most of companies are built with between 5 and 10 workers, 10 staff. Okay, so we are facing small companies, knowing the technology that we have, knowing the companies that we are here in our zone, knowing the market, the society, the consumables, and also the companies. We focus on the customer. How? With versatile equipment, making solutions with a single printer, because we cannot forget that we noticed that we are facing in a small companies area. So for this reason, to get a printer that can make different solutions is important for this kind of companies. Making high quality jobs and added value, of course, because you need a quality of print. Customizing jobs, including being able to make multiple units with variable data. So because when you are printing in a screen printing or in a stamp technology, so you can make t-shirts, you can make different merchandising, adapting to a narrow format, because all these kind of solutions are between 30-inch until 42-inch. The level of investment becomes affordable. The equipment is compact and fits with enough space in the business. Okay. So Roland has printers from 20-inch media until 100-inch. So we focus it in the narrow format in order to fit in the solutions that we talking before. For example, VN20. Through this machine, you can print labels, you can make t-shirts, you can make packaging, you can make little posters, you can make POPs include. Why? Because this printer is using Eco-solvent inks. So, as you know, Eco-solvent inks are a kind of inks that you can make jobs for outdoor and also for indoor, including you have a warranty of 3 years, the durability of 3 years for outdoor jobs. But not only that, so Eco-solvent from Roland are safely inks. So the main features of VN20 is print and cut machine. Not only can print, so also cut. Is a main difference between other machines that you can find in the market. Desktop machine. The width of media is 50 centimeters. Use Eco-solvent inks and also use metallic inks. Roland offer 25 patterns of textures in order to include using Illustrator or design software, and not only metallic textures, so also metallic color systems. So you have more than 500 metallic colors in order to use in Illustrator or CorelDRAW to put in the designs that you are making.
Hey, Xavier, thank you very much for your presentation. That was excellent. Very good to hear about the products that Roland have to offer.